Hey, sixth graders. If you were one of my at-home remote learning kids, I wanted to make a quick tutorial so that you would know exactly what you need to do to put your math binder together. Um, because that's where we're going to keep the textbook pages we're working on. We'll keep notes in there, all kinds of stuff. So what you need is a package of paper. You need your math textbook, which I know you guys all have those because your families came and picked them up last week. A 1-inch 3-ring binder. And I believe we need a 3-hole punch or a hole punch of some sort so that we can punch holes in our math textbook. So the first thing I want you to do is take your binder, pop open the little rings. And then next, I want you to go to your math textbook and we need to tear out very carefully pages, everything for module 1, which would be pages 3 through 28. So tear out pages 3 through 28. And you might have to tear them out in a few little small chunks to get it all done. So after you have torn out all the pages for module 1, make sure those pages are in order. That will be very helpful to you when you are flipping between them for your notes or for other work you have to do. So now you need to take your 3-hole punch and you need to punch a hole. Whoops. I'm going to split it up into 2 groups. But you're going to need to punch your holes into the pages so that you can stick them into your math binder. So there's that. Let's do my second chunk of papers. And we're going to be doing the same thing at school as well. So everybody should have this, in theory, if everybody does this correctly and all that. School kids, home kids, everybody kids will have the same things in their math binder. All right, so you're going to take Module 1's pages. You're going to stick them into your math binder so that they fall over onto the right side. Okay? The next thing you need to do is get some of the pieces of paper out of that paper package. You do not need the entire package, just 10, 12 pages, plenty. And then you're going to put those in your math binder on top of your textbook pages. And then you're going to snip your binder shut. And that's it. Nothing too tricky. So that is how I want you guys to put your math binder together. You'll do the same thing for module 2, 3, 4, 5, all of that. Textbook pages, blank paper pages, and you'll be all set. Let me know if y'all have any questions. Bye.